Sorry about the noise, the TV's on, but there's a super big storm outside, and there's clouds low to the ground, and they're spinning a little. We're really worried that it might turn into a tornado. Yeah, my dog is so scared. It's gonna be okay, Lily, I promise. Yeah, my mom said if the trees bend over to get in the washroom. And yeah, it blew my friend's trampoline away. It's really windy up there. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be okay, Lily, I promise. Sorry, my family is in the house. Yeah, by the way, this is my living room. Deer hunters live here. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. The TV's on. Watching the weather or whatever. Yeah, and my friends over there across the street, their playground equipment blew away, and their little trampoline. No, they can't leave the house. Hopefully they're just moving the car. Oh yeah, he's going to pick up our food. Yeah, there's my mom.
Spokesman for the railroad says engineer Chance Goldberg of Whitehall and conductor Roderick Hayes of McKinney, Texas, died after two freight trains collided head-on. Two other employees, Michaels and Pacos of Mondell and Aaron Jeffrey of Conway, were
It's okay, Lily. She's breathing really heavy. Okay, I promise. It's okay. Whoa. You can't see that, but it's blowing. Sorry, I'm shaky.
Residents who were evacuated have since been returned to their homes. NTSB investigators say
yeah, look at that tree.
they're able to determine the cause of the collision.
Then there's clouds back there. You can't really see them. But they might be touching the ground. There's one behind the house back there. And it's almost touching the ground. It might be now, I don't know. And there's one right over there that's touching the ground, I think. Yeah, and the wind is blowing a lot. Oof. Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. And yeah, so if you live in Arkansas, Hot Springs County, whatever, then I recommend staying in your house and not stepping outside. Keep your pets inside, because even if it's not a tornado, the wind is still blowing super bad. Yeah. I'm all alone in the house. Everyone else is outside. All I have is Lily. I don't know if you can hear that, but that's thunder. You probably can't hear it because of the TV. Yeah. I'm so scared. I hope it's not a tornado. Yeah, so if you live around Arkansas, I don't know if it's storming in Little Rock, but if it is, then stay in your house. Don't come out. And if it gets bad, like the trees are starting to bend over, then get somewhere safe. I mean, I'm not a weatherman, but I know when to go get safe somewhere. Yeah.
The petition contains allegations of domestic abuse. His wife says in the petition, quote, he got mad, tackled
The
me,
deer
pushed my head into the
freak me
mattress.
out.
We went outside
They're
and I was sitting
everywhere.
down. He grabbed my arm and slung me across the street.
Yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye, God. Bye.
We also obtained this Sherwood
Bruh.
police report.